giving. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Y'all, I am so nervous. We're gonna trust the process. We're gonna trust the process. So I have rubber bands. You're gonna need some rubber bands. Get you some leave-in cream. Y'all know I love me some Donuts Recipe. Bobby pins. I literally have 500. Some hair scrunchies, hair ties, loop-de-loops, whatever you want to call them. Y'all, this is my favorite edge control. Not gonna lie, I restocked. Absolutely did. Get you not one but 2 scarves. You're gonna need it. Get you a fresh edge control brush because we starting fresh, okay? Get you a mister because this is like stretched because it was in a bun. Oh, which is literally gonna be perfect. It was in a bun, which means like, you see how it would have usually been frizzy. We're just gonna slick it right on up, all right? You need a rat tail comb too. Let me grab that. And I also got foam. Don't know why, I just might need it. Ah! Y'all, I'm actually really so happy. And then for an extra bonus, okay, I got like a few different gold accessories because I have plans on wearing gold with my outfit. Fingers crossed it looked right. I think the first thing for me is we're gonna map her out, okay? So from the picture, oh, hopefully my hair ain't flaking up, y'all. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with a nice square in front. So start off with your front squares. And of course, make your middle part. Y'all see my hair is crusty. It's crusty. A little dry. Boom. Shakalaka. I feel like this is too big of a square. But, you know, of course, make your middle part, make your side part, or whatever. I thought about blow drying it. I feel like that definitely would, you know, it would help. But my hair will lay down because it's so like stretched and I already have like all this gel in it. So I don't feel like blow drying it, you know, it's just, that's just too much. I'm not doing it. This is really supposed to be like a really cute, quick hairstyle for my girlies who want to switch it up, okay? Yo, that's not centered! I think we could play with this front square when we're done, okay? As long as we have the front square, front and center, and then we're just gonna tie her up. I probably need hair clips, but we're just gonna use the hair scrunchies that we have already. It's time to get the hair, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it up in a high pony in 2 sections because y'all, I know y'all see this, okay. Completely winging this, okay? I feel like I saw a girl put it from behind her head and then she flipped it up, but that don't make sense to me. So I'm thinking she might have put it on her head like this and then flipped it up. Y'all wish me luck. Okay, it's giving Medusa. Medusa for sure. But I like the texture match. I can get with it. Y'all see that? I can get with it. And it's gonna look so cute with my hair accessories. Okay, and this is how we gonna hide the hair. We're just gonna place it over. Like so. Y'all, I think I might actually not have to cry. Because I think I might be able to do this. Okay. Since we put the hair, you know what? We're gonna secure her. So we're gonna wrap her twice. How about that? Absolutely. sure will. I almost feel like I need to do a little, ooh, yeah, we can do a little, so nothing poking out. Oh, that's my little ponytail right there. That's the piece of the ponytail. Okay, we're just, what do I want to do? I want it tucked, so yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't know, we're just, okay. And, yep, and that goes perfect for my first little bubble. So the way that I saw, okay, she literally just put a rubber band on it. And I think that fits that perfectly. It's not giving bubble. It's not giving bubble, is it? It's because I got that big old fat dookie thing up in here. Let's do a check-in. So let me pull this down because I don't know what I'm gonna do with this ponytail. How are we feeling? How are we feeling? I don't know. I feel like I like the top, but if I put these on there, like, back to the nitty-gritty, okay? Okay, she kind of smoothed out a little bit. So now from here, oof. There's gonna have to be a middle part. And I struggle with the middle part. Oh, even having just the one, the little two. Yeah, this is cute. Okay, y'all, we're on the last side, so don't forget we're gonna do let's give a final look.